As you can see, she's feeling herself. Okay, so now we're doing the bodice part, right? And for this one, because I didn't have enough fabric, and if you don't have enough fabric, you can just cut the pieces in place because you're not gonna see it that much anyway. So the shorter piece, I've created like a bodice piece of it. But if you have enough fabric, you can cut the long part twice, and that is enough for you. This is the width of your fabric twice for one piece. Okay, so for the bodice part, what we're going to do, because I had to cut it, I'm going to show you how to do a French seam. So the French seam, what you're going to do is like oui, oui. Oui, oui, oui. French seam, what you're going to do is basically do a normal seam, right. normal seam stitch, but you do like half, so 0.5. So it's like,
so it's narrower,
very narrow, okay. And then you turn it around again,
and even more narrower,
and then make it even more narrower, and you're actually going to sew like a, I would say 0.8, but I'll just do 1. So it's like 1.5 cm.
Numbers flashing.
And then what will happen is that wrong side of the seam, inside will be a nice edge. Yeah. So
this is step 1.
Step 1.
Half then a centimeter.
Pretty much. Let's do that.
I need step by step. If not, my mind would just start doing. You see, you need to. Zana.
I haven't done that many years either. I thought you started speaking my proud.
Susie, that's why I'm watching and I'm slightly critiquing the work you're giving me. Just making sure it's aligned. I don't need that many pins. I just need the original pins to be, you know, correctly.
Okay.
The fabric needs to be flat.
Very flat.
No bubbles.
No bubbles.
No winkles.
Yeah.
Felt confident that one. Shh, don't mess it up, don't mess it up.
Okay. Okay, no worries. And
maybe this, I'm just gonna pin a couple.
Yes, no, pin, definitely pin, because you don't want it to be moving.
Right?
And if you feel like your edges, your top and bottom edge is not correctly aligned, don't worry. You're gonna be finishing the outer edge of the seam. So yeah, no worries. You can always clean it up.
That's how I feel with concealer. If you make a mistake with your eyeliner, you can always clean it up with concealer. Follow me on Rose Concession.
And subscribe on my channel.
Alright, here we go.
You're getting much smoother. How long has it been that you've been sewing?
Long time.
Woo woo! Okay,
right.
So we've done that part. Now we are going to do, so you do this twice, so you have 2 pieces. Now, as I said, you take your measurements, and your measurement you take is your half of your waist. Now that is going to be quite a lot. We have 2 halves, and it's going to be a wrap over. So what we're going to do, we have to gauge it, and I'm taking the measurement of the gauging. It's going to be almost half the size plus 5. And once you have that, now we're going to put it all together on our skirt panel.
Dope.
Okay, so the next part is putting your waistband. So that's both aligned, and then I'm attaching my waistband channel. So it's gonna have a waistband elastic along all around the waist. So this is the infinity dress. How are you feeling, Rose? I can see you're feeling yourself.
I am feeling myself.
So this dress can be worn several ways. Obviously, if you have a larger chest, you could wear a tank top underneath, or like a tubular top underneath, so that you don't feel too exposed, and you can just wear a strapless bra for that as well. You can do it cross-side, so let's do that. Do it like that, and then tie it at the back.
I'm a one shoulder kind of girl, so this is definitely my style.
You can make the ties a bit longer. I haven't done it too long, but look at that, it's so cute. Absolutely easy to make, and it's nice and full as well, beautiful for the summer, but you can also wear it for the evening
and
going
got
out.
pockets.
And obviously pockets is needed, so you can put your phone and all the necessary equipment that you need in your daily life, lip gloss, you know, all of that.
Baby bottles, car
Yes.
keys.
Maybe not baby bottle, but yeah.
Yes. So that is the Infinity dress.